this tutorial we're going to follow on from the last tutorial concerning the circular patterns. We're just going to look at the rectangular pattern now in Inventor. So we're going to do the exact same thing again. We're just going to draw up a block, dimension it and extrude it. One of the main reasons you could use this rectangular pattern would be in the use of nesting, for example. You will see in a few minutes now the way that it actually be laid out and transposed over perhaps original and full-sized sheet material. Just create an extrusion there of 5mm, and we're just going to click on the rectangular box there. You get the option here of pattern individual faces again, or pattern solids. It's basically the same setup as the circular feature, but there's a slight few more parameters involved. This can make the creation of multiple parts very time efficient. So now we just have to select a direction 1 first of all. So we just select any side. The handiest thing to do here is stick the left hand side. And now it looks for the quantity involved and the actual spacing itself. So pick 5 there. And we're going to space them individually apart 65mm. So there now you can see actually in the drawing itself that each part is evenly spaced. This could be very useful just for quantifying material, for example, and even quantifying how much material you need to make up a certain amount of components. The spacing then can be changed to distance as well, so you can actually work off the same reference point all the time. And finally you can change back to spacing setup if the need requires. Now direction 2 now is also picked as well, so just pick this in the other direction. So click the bottom face, select how many you want and select the spacing as well. Just like in the circular pattern, there is the option of joining all these individual parts together, or actually just to create a new body. But at the existing state we'll just click OK, and now we can see the pattern is laid out as you requested, 5 across, 5 down, at particular spacings. So now we can just go back in again and we can just edit the feature of the rectangular pattern.